Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to solve a trigonometric problem in a step-by-step manner. We are going to prove that sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Now let me take my LHS. Now in my LHS, I have sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Now when I look at my RHS, I do have something like squares over here. So let me write in terms of squares. So I can write sin power 4 theta as sin square theta the whole square and cos power 4 theta is nothing but cos square theta the whole square. Now I can apply the identity a square plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Now here in place of a I have sin square theta and in place of b I have cos square theta. So now I'm going to apply the identity here. So a plus b the whole square, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta the whole square minus 2 times sin square theta into cos square theta. We know the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So let me apply over there. So 1 square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. We know that 1 square is going to be 1. So let me write here 1 minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta, which is my RHS. Let us prove the following identity. Cosecant theta minus sin theta into secant theta minus cos theta equal to 1 by tan theta plus cot theta. Now let me take the LHS. I can write cosecant theta as 1 by sin theta minus sin theta. Secant theta as 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Now here sin theta can be written as sin theta by 1. Therefore my LCM is nothing but sin theta. Here my numerator becomes 1 minus sin square theta. Here again I can write cos theta as cos theta by 1. So my LCM becomes cos theta. The numerator becomes 1 minus cos square theta. Now let me apply the identity. 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is nothing but sin square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Now let me cancel. I can cancel cos theta and cos theta. Here again I can cancel sin theta and sin theta. So I'll be left with cos theta into sin theta. Now here this cos theta into sin theta can be written as cos theta into sin theta by 1. Now in place of 1 I'm going to apply the identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now this whole thing can be rewritten as 1 by sin square theta plus cos square theta by cos theta into sin theta. Now let me split the terms. So I'll get 1 by sin square theta by cos theta sin theta plus cos square theta by cos theta sin theta. Here again I'm going to cancel sin theta and cos theta and cos theta. So I'll be left with 1 by sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta by sin theta. The sin theta by cos theta is nothing but tan theta and cos theta by sin theta is nothing but cot theta. Therefore, 1 by tan theta plus cot theta is nothing but my RHS. Let us prove the following. 2 sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 1 equal to 0. So let me take step by step and solve this problem. So first step I'm going to take 2 sin power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Now I can write this as 2 sin square theta the whole cube plus cos square theta the whole cube. Here I can apply the formula a cube plus b cube, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square, where a is nothing but sin square theta and b is nothing but cos square theta. So when I apply that, a plus b is nothing but 2 sin square theta plus cos square theta into a square is sin square theta the whole square, which gives me sin power 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. So now I'm going to use the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta gives me 1. So 2 into 1 into sin power 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta gives me 2 sin power 4 theta minus sin square theta cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Now I'm going to take the 2 inside, that is 2 sin power 4 theta minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta plus 2 cos power 4 theta. Now let us take the next term, that is 3 into sin square theta the whole square plus cos square theta the whole square. Now I can apply the formula a square plus b square equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2ab. Here a is nothing but sin square theta and b is nothing but my cos square theta. So 3 into sin square theta plus cos square theta the whole square minus 2 sin square theta cos square theta. Now here, in place of sine square theta plus cos square theta, I can use the identity 1. So 1 square is nothing but 1. That's what I've written here. So 3 into 1 minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta. I'm taking the 3 inside. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 6 sine square theta cos square theta. For the last step, let me write the entire sum, that is 2 sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta minus 3 sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta plus 1. I am supposed to prove this is equal to 0. Now, so long we have found out 2 sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta is nothing but 2 sine power 4 theta minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta plus 2 cos power 4 theta. And for 3 sine power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta, we got 3 minus 6 sine square theta cos square theta and this plus 1. My next step will be, I'm going to take the minus inside. So let me write all these things as it is. So I've written here, minus into plus gives me minus, so minus 3. Minus into minus gives me plus, so plus 6 sine square theta cos square theta plus 1. Now 2 sine power 4 theta has no like terms, so let me write as it is. Now minus 2 sine square theta cos square theta and plus 6 sine square theta cos square theta gives me plus 4 sine square theta cos square theta plus 2 cos power 4 theta has no like terms. Let me write as it is. Let me write the minus 3 also and plus 1 here as it is. Now my next step will be, I'm going to write this as a formula. Let me take the 2 outside, then I'll be left with sine power 4 theta plus 2 sine square theta cos square theta plus cos power 4 theta, which is nothing but sine square theta plus cos square theta the whole square. Now let me write this minus 3 plus 1 as it is. We all know that sine square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. So 2 ones are 2. Let me write this minus 3 and plus 1. Now this gives me nothing but 3 minus 3, which is nothing but 0, which is my RHS, hence proved. So friends, was it helpful? Then please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.